So let's get started with the engine. And as we come through the front of the vehicle, this is where the old drain plug is for the engine. That's tight. Okay, now we're finished with that. Let's put the plug back in. Done. And this is where the filter is. This is the oil drain plug. This is where the filter is. Shoot. That's the oil. That's the oil filter. Z40 from Ryco. That's the one. Brand new. As always, finger, whatever finger you like. It's up to you. Just a bit of oil on the seal so it won't be tight and difficult to remove next time. And as for that, because that filter is right underneath the engine, as you see, it's not on an angle. It's a good idea to fill up the filter with oil, even if it's 100 ml, which it takes more than that, it doesn't matter. So when you start the engine for the first time, it won't be dry and will immediately take some oil from here to go to the moving parts. Well, if it's not, there might be a chance, if you do something stupid, which believe me, many people did, and accelerate when you start the car, go the reverse vroom all the way to the top, there won't be enough lubrication because this will be completely dry. So fill it up, and the oil is going to be ready to go straight away to the moving parts, instead of waiting for a few seconds the oil pump to fill this and then go to the moving parts. And now, having filled up almost to the top of the oil filter, let's crawl underneath and put the filter back in place. I cleaned the surface on the engine block as well. It's a spin-on filter, and you tighten it by hand. One hand is enough. Do not use tools for that. That's more than enough. That seal, it's more than enough to keep it in place and not come out again. And that's it. We have this one tight, this one tight. Now let's put some oil on. Look where the filler tap is, right under these tubes, which one I have to remove from the tune port injection body. That's one goes away, and the other one's gonna go on the side. Then I'm gonna put a funnel. Now let's start the car. For the oil to run, some of the oil will go to the oil filter and fill up everything. Let it run for a minute and then wait for 5 minutes to check the oil level. And then let's check the oil level, the dipstick, which is right there. And it's right on the spot. It has to be up here, and that's where it is. Let me show you what the markings of the dipstick are. So these are the markings, and it has to be from here all the way to up here. If it's below that, that's the lowest point. This is the highest. Mine was at the highest, which is perfect. So all done.